climate change is increasingly becoming serious, and countries are being affected in a great way. And we've been supporting them to develop plans so they can access funding to develop projects. We've been doing this for quite a few years now, so I think we're transitioning into implementation of those plans. So we're looking forward to countries coming forward with concrete proposals, and then for the funders and the partners to actually come and interact with them and actually agree to work with each other. So hopefully a few weeks from now, they will submit proposals for funding and get money to address that. It's well known that to access money, it's a cumbersome process, but there's steps that are well established. A lot of countries have mastered the steps to go from a concept to proposal to funding and so forth. So what we're doing is to learn from each other, build on that good practice, and make sure that no one is left behind. Most of the least developed countries are in Africa, and they need the most support. So we tend to focus a lot on the least developed countries as well as small and developing states because the capacity is limited. So part of the design here is to help them advance along with everybody else. I think every country now is vulnerable to climate change. I think it's not a competition to say Africa is more vulnerable than so on. So I think every country has needs. So it's a matter of prioritizing those needs for that country and making sure that those gaps are filled and countries can develop the way they have been planning to do. There are a lot of good practices. Rwanda has succeeded in going beyond the public funding that comes from international sources to actually create a national fund to be able to address these needs. So that's one of the good practices that they can teach other countries to also create national funds that will grow over time, but will help to address locally identified needs.